What's up, Bliss Squad? It's your boy Johnny Lit. I'm back with another video. If you're new to the channel, you already know. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. But what we got going on today, as y'all can tell by the thumbnail, truck back down again, but we finna get it back fixed. So, y'all know last video was the transmission. Well, I don't think that was the last video. We were checking up on the wheels and whatever. And yeah, we got them mounted back up. There's just be so much going on with this truck. But now, it's the starter, man. Starter went out, so I got a replacement starter. Boom. Right here. So, I'm gonna lift it on up. We go ahead and, yeah, man. Lift it on up, man. And get that mug put on, man. It's always something with this mug, man. But yeah, that's what we worked with today, man. Freaking starter. Luckily, I was able to start the car this morning and get it to the garage, man. And I didn't have to use the hammer to like bang on the starter. You know how that go. So that's where we at with it. Finna get this boy lifted in the air. Get on under there. Yeah. Man. Just making sure we secure. Say we ain't got time to be falling up on us, man. That boy is heavy, man. That mug fall on you, you damn near done. You don't crush my whatchamacallit now. Oops, you folded, man. Yeah, ain't that boy up there, up there. Yeah. If my truck was this tall, man. Dang. Dang, boy. To equally balance it. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, them boys said they put a new transmission in there. That mother look new, huh?
Yeah.
That brand new trans. I don't have to go bust their head, man. Merc something off. Yeah. We got the brand new trans in that boy, y'all. Brand new, y'all see. Yeah. Yeah. Man, got the rough country lift on there, man. I need some undercoating, man. Got a little rust spots. Yeah. My first time really being able to examine under my stuff like this, man. You know? I really want my gears changed, man. I'm trying to find somebody that can switch my damn gears. I'm trying to upgrade the motherfuckers. To be honest with y'all. We're gonna take a look at all this, man. We look right under here. We look right, man. Just a little bit of rust on the frame. Ain't too major though. Light work. Yeah. Evening. New starter, man. New starter. Be back with y'all in a minute. Weird. Hot eye. Yeah. Y'all see, man, brand new trends, man. Stop playing with your boy. Before I fold something. Hey.
Hey man, you alright? You got trucks in the morning.
No, I ain't alright, man. I'm a tweak, man. I'm a tweak, man.
I see it.
What's that boy's song? Ain't it called Tweaker or something? I might swerve in that corner, y'all. Oh. I'll start tweaking.
Oh, that's some bullshit. They put them two. They put a boat right there.
They put a boat where? Oh, you talking about up there?
Yeah, on that little heat shield.
Yeah, I see that. Why they do that, man? Let's see if y'all see it, man. We zoom in. Boom. Can y'all see it? It's right. Ooh, where my finger at? It's another boat. Ooh, that boy is hot. Yep, right there. Y'all see that? Boom, boom, boom. That's a weird angle, boy. You gotta have one of them angler joints. You got an angler joint? You got the welding machine right here, y'all. Well, not the, what's this called? Tick miner?
Hold on, man. I'm missing all my little batteries.
You missing your batteries. Got the old starter out, man. Y'all see what's going on. This will look just a little bit smaller, don't it?
Yeah, it's just the angle, man.
Just the angle.
See.
Yeah. It's a little bit smaller for some reason, man. You see, we see. Yeah, it was time for it, man. It was time. Gonna stuff it back on in there, y'all. Ooh. Good angle for you. Yeah, stuff it back in there. Put a little opening there. Yeah. Be nice.
Make sure that's on there. We don't want that to be boosty fault. Seems like everything boosty fault right here.
Make sure we right. Make sure we right. Over there getting burnt, man.
You burning me up now.
Getting burnt. Yeah. Alright, y'all. The moment of truth, man. We gonna start up, man. We got the new starter on there. Oh, yeah. We alive. Ooh, hold on, man. That's all that noise. We alive, y'all. Starter back on, man. Tire monitor system. I'm actually finna get them lights off the tire monitor system, man. Let me get the program, man. Truck fixed, by the way. Hold on, let me give y'all an update too. I know it's been a while since y'all seen the garage, man. Yeah, truck fixed, by the way. I don't even know if y'all seen that we had pavement around here, but we definitely got the pavement for the garage. Garage fully built. We all good, man. But I'm gonna ride on this thing, man. We finna see what this little Razor hit on, man. Finna see what this little Razor hit on. Oh, this mug small, y'all. Oh, we drifting. This mug drift. Let me see if this mug drift, man.
Oh, they ain't gonna drift, man.
Okay, Johnny Lit give it the approval. I'm about to buy my son one of them. I seen this at Walmart too. So yeah, that's decent. Let me get Tone Loc one of them, man. I thought it was a drifter though for some reason. Nah, but he'll definitely have fun on that, man. Y'all drop in the comments, man. Should I get Tone Loc that for the summer? I think I am though. Yeah, that was cool. Yeah, he'll have fun with that. Yes, sir. We're gonna put this back, man. Put it back. Yeah, I put it back in a minute, man. But yeah, man. We good, man. Truck back down. We back in the game again. So y'all stay tuned to the channel, man. Y'all know what's going on. We gonna keep grinding all year long. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but check out my gaming channel, man. I be uploading over there, man. Go if you a true supporter, man. Go subscribe to Gaming with Lit Squad. Go check that out, man. I think I only got 20 subscribers right now. Get it to 100 subscribers, man. Let's see if we can do that, man. We got like 2,000 subscribers over here. Oh, I need about 100 y'all to go over there right now and check out some videos, and we're gonna keep grinding on both channels, man. You see what's going on? That's how we doing it, man. My goal is to get the gaming channels monetized by the end of this year. We gonna see how that go. We gonna see. That's a goal. So y'all help me hit that goal, man. Appreciate all y'all support. And I'm gonna have some new Lit Squad merch coming soon too, man. Finna grind on all angles, man. I'm finna hit this thing back like it's 2020, man. I'm going all in, man. Appreciate y'all for y'all support. And I'm out.